Hi there, this is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. I'm coming on to do an unboxing for Craspire. Craspire is, I think, a fairly new company, and they are affiliated in some way with BB Craft. They also have a YouTube program, and they sent me these products to review and to do a couple of project shares on. So today is my unboxing, and then in a few days I'll have some project shares for you. Craspire is a wax melts company. Is that the right thing? Wax seals? Yeah, they do supplies for doing wax seals. So let me open these two little boxes first and show you what I've got. This is a seal. No, it's not a seal. This is a stamp that you stamp into the wax to make the seal, and this is a little butterfly. Hopefully that's in focus. Is that in focus? Isn't that pretty? I chose to begin with two of these stamps. I think they're called stamps. It's a good question. And this one, it's hard to tell backwards. This says thank you. So I'm excited to get started with these. And then I got this little kit. You guys know me and purple, so one of the first waxes I had to get was purple. And these are different shades. They're purples and pinks. Isn't this beautiful? I love this color right here on top. So this is a purple color. There's kind of a plum color, and then there's some pinks in there. And I have no idea how many are in this package, but there's a lot of them in there. I think you need like 2 or 3 to do a wax seal. And then it came with this little spoon, and this is two little tea lights. So you light the tea light and hold the spoon over it, and that melts the wax. That's my understanding as to how it works. And then I got this other kit. The reason I got this kit is because I wanted the gold and silver pens, and I think they were out of stock maybe by themselves, but so I got the kit that has them in it because I've seen some fun stuff done with that. This one also has a spoon. This one has 4 little tea lights, and then this is a mix of many colors of little wax chips. They're not really chips because they have a definite shape, but isn't this pretty? There's some beautiful colors in here. These will be fun to work with. You know, the organizer in me wants to get an organizer and separate all these out, but I don't know if I'll do that. We'll see. Depends. I don't know how many colors are in there, so how big of an organizer I would need. But yeah, that's part of why I got this kit also, because it has all the colors in it. And this one was only pink and purple, and even though that's who I am, I'll be making projects that are for other people, so I need more than just pink and purple. So this was my unboxing for my Craspire order. These 4 items, and let's look at these guys again. Stay tuned this weekend for project shares making these items. So thank you for watching. I will have links below to Craspire's homepage and to all of the products that I ordered. I think that's all I need to, yeah. In case you want any of these products or you want to check them out. I feel like the prices on the items are very inexpensive. I was actually surprised because I thought this would be a big investment to get into, and it's not really. They have a kit that has 1 or 2 of these, and it has everything you need, and it was only like $12.99, I think. So I felt like that was really reasonable if you're just getting into this. So thank you for watching. As I said, I'll post all the links below, and have a wonderful day.